What's up, people? It's me again. I'm back, and today I just wanted to show you just a little bit of my Black Friday and Cyber Monday haul. I'm gonna show you a little bit of what I got. These are a few things that I got, but today we're gonna focus on the Echo Show 8. Let's talk about it. Let's go. So here I have the Echo Show 8, and I bought the stand to go along with it. Now, my plan was to use this in my bedroom as an alarm clock, and obviously Amazon, Alexa, Echo kind of whole ecosystem setup in my bedroom. However, it may end up staying in my kitchen just because I think I'm gonna like it a lot. So let's just do a quick unboxing, check out what we have here, just to give you an idea of what it is, and just to see how much I'm really gonna enjoy this. Let's go. So one of the things I like is a lot of the new packaging are coming with these little strips, pull strips. I didn't even bring my knife up. I don't think I'm gonna need it. So we're gonna pop this open here. Oh yeah, very simple. They do a good job with the packaging, so it's not so difficult to open. You got the main unit. You have the power brick that goes along with it, and it's attached. It's not a USB detectable. It's not USB as far as the connection goes. It's attached. It also comes with the setup, the quick setup guide and booklet, and that's all you get. The quick setup guide, the plug, and the main unit. Okay, so we're gonna open this up here. Very nice. I like it. And I don't know about you guys, but I just love that smile. All right, so, oh yeah. I really, really like the texture on the box, or the texture on the back rather. It's sort of a, not really carpeted, but fabric. It's a harsh fabric. It's not a really soft fabric, but it gives you a little something to grip on. I like the size of the screen. That 8-inch screen looks really nice. The plug here. All right. So I'm just doing a quick unboxing, but if you want an in-depth video, I just watched the CNET review on this thing, and they compared the Echo Show 5, the 8, and the regular Echo Show. And I really like their comparison, so I'm gonna link that in the description down below, because what they did for me that I can't do is they did a sound comparison. They had all three of the devices here, and they did a pretty good sound comparison, and it's just what I thought. They also did a video comparison, which I'd like to do, because I like the fact that this thing has a good sound system. It sounds more comparable to the larger Echo Show unit that they have. And it's not as lightweight and small when it comes to its beefy sound as the Echo Show 5. It's a lot more hearty. I really like the setup of this 8. I like that it's an 8-inch display, which is decent size. I like that it's more comparable to the larger 10.1 display in regards to its video quality. It's got 1280 by 800 when it comes to the resolution, which is a lot better than the 5, and it's what the 10-inch display also has. It sounds more powerful and more beefy than the 5-inch, but it's not quite as bassy and strong as the 10.1-inch. So it falls right in between, but I think it gives you more of the quality and value of the larger one, or closer to it, than the 5 does. So I like it a lot. I like that it has a shutter button right here, so you can cut off the camera or cover the camera for those of you that are worried. And it has a mute button, a physical mute button, so that you can mute Alexa if you don't want her listening in on the conversation, trying to look for that phrase that triggers her. So I like the fact that they give you that control. I like the size of the speakers from what I've heard, and I'm gonna do some more testing out now. And also the camera. The camera is the one shortcoming, I guess, because the camera is the same as the Echo Show 5. It has the 1.2 megapixel camera as opposed to the larger 5 megapixel camera that's on the 10.1 Echo Show. I wish it had the better resolution camera. But for what you use it for, the camera is primarily used for chatting, doing Skype chats, or any of the video chats that you want to use it for. And I believe the 1.2 megapixel is adequate. It just could be better. And so far, I think that's the one thing that I am not sure I'm going to be happy with, but we'll find out. So now let's take a second and go ahead and unbox the stand, because not like there's much to this, but let's open this up as well. Pull this out. Okay. Very simple, very straightforward. I like it. The little logo on the bottom and the little groove here that will fit the bottom here. I like the way the stand fits right on the bottom of the Echo Show 8, because it gives you the ability to angle it up or angle it down. If you had it on the counter, which I might for a little while, and you were doing recipes, like I'm following a lot of recipes with my new Instant Pot. I'll talk about that in another video. But if you're using this to follow recipes, you could follow along by angling it up and just leave it on your counter. And if you had it on your nightstand and you were in bed, you might want to angle it down so that you can see it from your bed, depending on how high your bed is in relation to your nightstand. All right, so here we are. We have it set up. It's gone through its setup process, and it said, your device is now ready. So that gives me the idea that I'm all set. So I like that it gives you all the abilities of all the other Amazon Echo devices, but you also now have the video capability. So let's see. Alexa, what's the weather?
Currently, in Springfield, it's 30 degrees.
So one of the things I'm most excited about is being able to look at recipes while having the Alexa capabilities. So if you look at this, it came up on the main screen, a recipe, and all I simply did was touch the screen and it started showing me the recipe. I thought that was pretty interesting, because convenience is obviously what we look for most nowadays, and this thing just adds to our ability to do things quickly and to do things instantly, and it helps to make our lives a lot easier. So this is definitely something that I did not think that I would really care for, because I thought maybe it was unnecessary, but after using it and setting it up and seeing some of the things that you can do, I am now a fan. I think the advantages of being able to use Prime Video, Hulu, Cooking Network, Tubi, NBC, and there are other things that you can view on here. I'm working on getting my YouTube videos to pop up. So that's it. That's all I got for you today. I just wanted to unbox this and give you an idea. So if you want to add video to your countertop, I think this may be the move. The Echo Show 8. I think it's the best choice between the 5, the 8, and the 10.1. It rests right in the sweet spot in the middle. I think it's the perfect option. I'm glad this is the one that I picked up. It was on sale for $79.99. I'm not sure how much it is right now. So as always, if you enjoyed this, go ahead, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell so you're notified when I make new ones. Remember to check the links in the descriptions down below. I'll have the links to actually all of the items that I purchased on my Black Friday Cyber Monday haul. I will also have a link to the Echo Show 8 in the stand. And I will link in, like I said earlier, I'll link in the CNET video so that you can look at a comparison if you want more in-depth coverage. Come back and see me again. The links in the description really help me out, because they let Amazon and wherever else I link you to, let them know that you watched the video, you enjoyed the video, and it lets people know you like what I'm doing, and I would appreciate that. So go ahead and hit those links that are in the description below the video. And until next time, enjoy your holiday, enjoy your gadgets, stay safe. Peace. Hey Alexa, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Alexa, say peace.
I pronounce that peace, but I'm always working on how I say things and I might not have it right.
Alexa, say supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
I think the sound of it is way more precocious than atrocious.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
Okay, Jimmy, make 'em laugh.
What do you get when you cross Jimmy Fallon with Pikachu? A Jokemon.
He's pretty good at this, but if you ever want to switch back to my jokes, just say, Alexa, I miss your jokes.